Why do 80% of people struggle to attract money fast? Because they don't know these 20 quick tips to manifest money now. 1. Manifest good habits. Start with small financial wins. 1. Be grateful. Keep a journal of what you have. 1. Flip the script. Replace negative thoughts with, why not me? 1. Spend with your values. Invest in experiences, not things. 1. Swallow your pride. Focus on building wealth, not flaunting it. 1. Be honest. Know your financial situation inside out. 1. Smell your money. Yes, really. Engage all senses. 1. Avoid self-sabotage. Write down and tackle your fears. 1. Ask for help. Even superheroes need sidekicks. 1. Visualize abundance. Picture your wealthy life in detail. 1. Affirmations. Money flows to me easily and abundantly. 1. Work hard. Focus on value, not hours. 1. Be open to opportunities. Seek out new experiences. 1. Network. Your net worth is in your network. 1. Learn new skills. Knowledge is your best investment. 1. Give back. Generosity breeds abundance. 1. Focus on abundance. Positive thoughts attract money. 1. Clear clutter. Create space for prosperity. 1. Practice mindfulness. Be present, reduce stress. 1. Surround yourself with positivity. Stay motivated and inspired. Ready to manifest money now? Start with these tips today.